Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify image banner. We will begin by understanding the fundamental role of a compelling banner on your online store. This initial step is vital for capturing visitor attention and conveying your brand's essence. A well-designed banner can significantly enhance the user experience and guide customers through your site, making a strong first impression and setting the tone for their visit. Next, let's focus on selecting and preparing your images. High-quality visuals are paramount for a professional look. Consider an aspect ratio around 2:1 for desktop banners, ensuring your image fits well. Remember to optimize file sizes. Large images can slow down your site, impacting user experience. Tools are available to compress images effectively, maintaining visual clarity while improving performance for all your visitors. Now, let's walk through the process of uploading and customizing your banner. Head over to your Shopify theme editor and locate the image banner section. Here, you can easily upload your chosen image. Experiment with different text overlays and button styles to create an engaging message. Ensure your call to action is prominent and guides visitors to their next step, whether it's exploring products or a special offer. Finally, let's discuss some best practices for optimizing your image banners. Always test your banner across different devices, especially mobile, to ensure it looks fantastic everywhere. Keep your messaging clear and concise with a strong call to action. Remember, banners are dynamic. Refresh them regularly to highlight new products, promotions, or seasonal campaigns, keeping your store engaging and relevant for returning customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.